Animate.css is one of the most popular animation libraries used in different websites. They have a ton of beautiful animations in their library, and so I thought while I am learning some CSS animations, why don't I try to replicate some of the animations in a 10-minute challenge. So I have written some starter code to start with, otherwise the starter code would have taken me 10 minutes to set up. So here is the HTML. So nothing special going on. The H1 as an ID just for the JavaScript purpose, and the button to animate, and there is the style. Just the usual stuff, resetting the margin and padding, making the body so that the everything is front and center. The H1 is given a uplift of font size, and the button hover states are defined. In the JavaScript, I am getting the animation button and adding a click event listener and checking if the animation is going on. If it is not going on, we are adding the class of animation to our end text to be animated, which is again called by the get element by ID. And then if the animation is ended, then we are removing that class of animation. So nothing special about that. So I will be now starting the timer, and let's get started. So the timer is started, I guess. Okay, that's good. So I think this animation flash is really easy to implement, so I will be implementing that first. So let's just do the dot flash and the keyframes for flash animation. That so it goes like, so let me show you the animation again. So the flash animation goes like on, off, on, off, on. Okay, 5 stages. So this will be really easy to implement. At 0, we need to just animate one property, and that is opacity. The opacity will be 1. At 50, the opacity will be 1, and at 100, the opacity will be 1. At 25, the opacity will be 0, and at 75 the opacity will be 0. So let's just save that, and now the animation will be flash animation. Let's just give it a 0.5 second of timer, and I will make the function linear because I don't want to get in the maths in 10 minutes. And this will be forwards, I guess. So let's just see how it looks. So oh sorry, I need to add the class. Okay, yes, the class name is here flash. Hope it works, fingers crossed. Let's just save it, open up our browser. Yes, it flashes, but it flashes really quick. So I think I need to increase the timer, I guess 1 second. So let's just see how does it. Okay, the flash animation, it looks exactly the same. Okay, I am happy with that. So what to do next? So how much time? 7 minutes. Okay, so another easy animation I think is the backing down, that comes with a smaller scale, comes down the screen, then the opacity increases as well as the size increases, means the scale increases. So we need to animate 3 properties here. So let's just dive into that. So our animation, what was the name? Let me just check. Back in down. Okay, back in down. Oh yes, so I will be copying this text. So I think this will be back in down. So let's just define the initial and final states. Initially we have opacity of 0.7, and the final stage opacity is 1, and other 2 properties we are going to animate a scale. Our scale is 0.7, I guess, in the beginning, and the translate y in the beginning is at negative 50 VH, i.e. it is outside the screen. At the 75% mark of the animation, our opacity and scale remains the same, so I will be copying that, and the translate y becomes 0, means it returns to its original position. So this animation will be copied as well here. So the animation is back in down animation, and in the app.js the class will be back in down. So I will be saving that in the browser. Let's go, let's see. Okay, that seemed a little bit slow and the opacity is not correct, I guess. So in the style, okay, so I will be giving the initial opacity of 0.5, I guess. That will do, and I think 1 second is too much, so let's just go with 0.7. Let's see. Okay, comes in and it grows, so backing down. Okay, it is a little bit more faster, I guess. So can I do it? I think I will be shifting it to 70 and doing it 0.5. This is just random guessing right now, just guessing game to make it perfect. Okay, so this looks this and this looks kind of similar. Okay, I will give it a pass. So 4 minutes left. So one thing I can show you now is that the backing down animation is the exact opposite of back out up. Okay, so I can do it. One cheating to say that I have done 3 animations in 10 minutes. So back out up. Okay, I think I should really practice my typing first. So let's just go with that. That will be 0. This will not be forward, this will be opposite, backwards. So let's just see back out up. So we will be saving that, growing in the browser. So I think I have not changed it in the JavaScript. Backwards, I think reverse. Reverse, sorry, I was wrong, I guess. Okay, now it works. So how much time I have? 2 minutes. 2 minutes will be a tight call for an animation. Let's just do the ShakeX. Okay, I will do the ShakeX animation. It seems really easy, and I think I have come up with a master plan to cheat a bit. Okay, ShakeX animation. Okay, I have 1 minute left. Come on, I cannot do this in 1 minute. Okay, the ShakeX is pretty similar to our first animation, I guess. Okay, animation, let's just do that. Please give me some time, please. ShakeX animation, I deserve some extra time because I have lost some time in selecting. Okay, so this is similar to the first animation I did, where I need to just go back and forth between some positions. So this will be going about the transform. So translate x, here the translate x will be 0. Okay, the translate x will be negative 20 pixels. I am just guessing now at 50. Okay, I have already copied it. Okay, the time is up. Let me just get one more extra minute. Okay, I got it. The time is up. But can you give me just one extra minute, because I have lost some minute in selecting this animation. So this will be plus 20, means I don't need to write the plus. So here we have it. Let's just add the shake animation class here. So let's save and go to our browser. I think okay, this is the half of the ShakeX, I guess. So here is it. It will repeat 2 times now, and that will be, I think, overkill for that. Okay, no, it will be perfect. Okay, I just need to play with the time. So okay, let's just see. Yes, it works. It works. Not as good as this one, but it works. Okay, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.